Watch this video that I'm about to show you right now. Just watch the video and we'll come back. You get it to one talk put for inside the video. Just watch it.
We know the law. My team here, they're more than perfect. They know what to do, and they're going to do. Did you get it? Yes.
So now you're able to say all that to
Fast one. Yes. No, I'm not relaxed until we get absolute and total victory. I'm not relaxed. We know the law. My team here, they're more than perfect. They know what to do, and they're going to do. And we're going to prevail ultimately. Because justice must prevail.
He's still in the dark.
The court also
we'll give you a woman from Southeast.
Depending on the strength of the argument.
They are using it to do experiment at DSSF.
Exactly. I don't see there is no way we're meant to allow that to happen. My rights must be for justice. Yes. My right to fair hearing must be observed.
They brought him to Kenya into this dock and allowed him to talk without his lawyer.
And he's only fighting for justice.
Yes. I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So when they calculate that my heart's about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you,
yes. It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat him.
But up to now, they have nobody.
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in the SS custody, there
will be no trial.
He's seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court. Because, exactly, I don't mind house arrest. Because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the federal government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the treasonable felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are having treasonable treason. What is treason today? It's gone. It's somewhere this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know. The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for it.
For justice.
For justice and fairness and equity.
Advice to the people of those who are using IPOB to commit crime.
Using IPOB to commit crime is a thing. Yes. It's not part of this family.
Repeat it again.
Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what will be your words to those out there in the East who are killing in the name of IPOB?
That they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to save our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal. I must be dealt with.
Wait, when you repeat this one.
Anybody who is involved in any form of criminality, any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing in the Southeast?
Why would I kill violence? People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill anybody person after that?
So anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB is on his own.
He's a criminal. I've said it. He's a criminal and should be dealt with adequately.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is Tuesday. We are covering one nation. Today is Tuesday. We are covering one nation.
Atụrụ mmadụ na-egbu mmadụ kwee n'ihi Biafra. Onye ahụ onye ohi onye ọbụla pụtara na-esu ohi na-agba ama na-atụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eme ihe niile ndị a niile kwere n'ihi IPOB. Onye ahụ onye ohi ka ọ IPOB ka mmadụ. We are here to fight for our people, for freedom, for justice, equity, and fairness. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. and we cannot be cowed by anybody. We are without fear before our enemies. And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask them, ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felons? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They've just disappeared because they have no evidence against me. Anybody committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free. Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's why if I said no idiot can try this rubbish, and they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know NnamdiKanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East, and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can.
Sir, are you
I'm NnamdiKanu. Who is the idiot? Rubbish.
No, don't. No, man. No.
What is it?
Can you tell us the ongoing killings in the East in the name of IPOB? What is your stand on that?
Anybody involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the Southeast,
In the
name of IPOB, is a gunner, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only. Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you.
And tranquility.
And there'll be peace in the East. Not just Southeast. Everywhere in the East, if not the entire South. Huh?
Yes.
No, I want the hand. One here. There will be justice. There will be justice. There is nothing under heaven. I'm going to get more jack. Who is the back? So there is nothing under heaven that cannot be revealed. Are you getting? Whoever plays the role he plays, if man does not see the person, God sees the person, and God will bring that person to judgment. And whoever is doing what the judge is doing, that's such.
Welcome back. As you don't watch that video, that NnamdiKanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, or NnamdiKanu of Biafra, the only man whom people love so much. You hear what this man talk for this video, that the people when they protect, fit by them. So I will say this thing in Igbo language. Gibu onye na-etinye aka enwe n'ofe wọpụ ya tupu ọ bụrụ aka mmadụ. Nwoke enweghị nwoke ga na-eme, ọ ga-eruo akpọ ya bịa nwoke ihe anyị na-eme ọ dịrị mma, wọpụ aka n'ime ya. Ọ bụrụ na ị ga-awọpụ aka immediately no ịgba ntente ọsọ, enwe ha na-akpọ ntente ọsọ, gị ịgba ntente ọsọ n'ojiri, ka hapụ iso na eburu odogwu. But ebe ị ga-eche ada ịda final ịda pịtọpịtọ wu oge bịaziri mewezie na ibu dike makwa ndị anyị mgbe a ga-akwatugo final. So onye ọbụla NnamdiKanu na-agwa okwu a ọ nwe meseji a m na-esend. Ị bụrụ onye a NnamdiKanu na-ekwu na-akpaghara wepụ aka ọnwụ n'ofe before braka mad. My people, I beg more to share this video and make sure see you dey follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. So NnamdiKanu don't finally say that all the people where they put hand for the insecurity where they happen for inside Southeast, may they quickly commode their hand, because you no go like them and they no go like them. The message is very clear. They don't send that. So the federal government, where they accuse NnamdiKanu of so many things, Mona leave NnamdiKanu. NnamdiKanu have nothing against you people. Waiting ask for, no be crime. In your own law, no be crime. Release NnamdiKanu now.